It's a fantastic event. It's great to be at Chadstone once again. Holmesglen Institute is really proud to be partnering for a second year at this event.
Last year we had about 500 registrations. This year we sold out at 850 and it's blown everyone's expectations.
There's a really good atmosphere here today and a lot of enthusiastic people. We have 25 of our retail partners and they're hiring for about 500 roles. We're the #1 asset in the country, so we really try to give our retailers the best support tools possible to grow their business. So being able to assist with a recruitment process is really important to them and their business.
Holmesglen Institute has got the Holmesglen Employment Centre, which is all about connecting in not only our students but the broader community into jobs as well. So it's a really important conduit. This event is a major one, and the big difference here is that you can get hired on site.
This is the only expo that I know of that have direct employment at every single stand. And I think that's why it's such a great success. Where Holmesglen Employment Centre come into it is that we then provide that service around interview preparation, resumes, and just general professional career advice. And then you go to the interview with a direct employment opportunity.
I think it's a great initiative, especially for students who are maybe coming into the workplace for the first time. So our goal is to make it even bigger and better again next year.